Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl and we're back with another video. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. So I'm gonna run into Burlington really quick. I wanted to go to Target, but I don't have no business in Target today. I wanted to get some diapers, but I'm gonna go into Burlington instead to see what to see what I can get from Burlington today. Hopefully they have some good stuff, because the other Burlingtons I've been going to, they don't really have nothing. So let's see what this Burlington got. So I'll catch you when I get upstairs. This is the fourth floor. Sorry. Okay, so we in Burlington, y'all, and of course I'm gonna go to the kids section for the clothing. If y'all know, I love to shop for my kiddos. These little winter blankets look so nice. I know JC would love one of these. They're only for $10.99. Well, not all of them will be $10.99, but they do have some beautiful winter jackets. Sorry, winter blankets. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This would look really nice on my bed. So nice. These are little dresses. I'm not really gonna look at them too much because it's pretty cold out now, so I'm not gonna really be putting baby girl in no sort of dresses. This little sweater right here looks so nice. Let me see what's the price for it. It is for $35. That's not bad. Let me go into the jeans or sweatpants. Let me see what I see for baby girl. It's really not much for her age or for her height, I per se. Ooh, this looks so cute, but it doesn't have any zipper. I like to put her in sweaters that have zippers. But let me go into the kitchen and all that good stuff. They got some nice pots in here, but they're not all complete sets. So I don't want nothing that's gonna be different colors or none of that. I like to get my pots in sets. Just text me when you get off the bus. I need one of these sooner or later because I have a small one at home. These little cups are so cute and adorable. They're only like $5, but I don't like pink. Pink is not my thing whatsoever, but they are very nice. $5 as well. What else do I see that I would like for? They don't really have much that I would like or that I'm looking for, so okay, they got some stuff for Christmas. Okay, so that's nice. They also have some beautiful candles, but I'm pretty sure not all of them smell all that good. The pink ones are looking so cute and adorable. Frosted gingerbread. Smells really good. This is for $8. Hope you guys can see it. Okay, there we go. That's for... Ooh, this one says let it snow. I'm pretty sure this should have... Oh, if I could get it open, I'm pretty sure it would have a good smell. Oh, smells really good. And this is for $8 as well. Ooh. I'm pretty sure most of these candles smell really, really nice, but I have enough candles already, so I'm gonna go look at something else, guys. Oh, they have more candles in here. Oh my god, this says cinnamon sugar. Let me see what this is about. Okay, it's giving a little something. And they have these beautiful little decors. They look so nice. These are so beautiful. They are going for $13. They also have the white. These are so nice. I'm loving the marble look that this one is giving, and this is going for $11. They have some very nice stuff. I need to get one of these eventually for me and my husband for our jewelry. They have some very nice stuff in here, guys. And as I mentioned earlier, they have more candles. They look, oh my god, this aisle is just giving. But I'm gonna leave the aisle really quick because the headache. These are really nice as well. I'm having a thing for these since lately. This is for $10. They have some very nice, beautiful vases or vase, whatever you want to call it. They are so beautiful. This here is actually a set, it seems, and this one is for $15. This is the aisle I need to be in because I'm not a fan of pink, but for some reason this Christmas, all this pink decor is just doing something that I like. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, and it's going for $13. This is so nice, guys. I like the aesthetic of it. These as well. Oh my goodness, so stinking cute. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, and this is for $17. They would look so lovely in the living room. They are so nice, guys. I like the aesthetic of these. For $13, they're giving nice and casual, not too much. It's something about elephants that I like. Over the years, I've learned that they're for good luck. Not too exactly sure. I like these as well. This is very nice. I think this year theme for my Christmas is gonna be pink. My husband might be pissed, but I don't know, something about the pink is just giving so beautiful. These are really nice, but I feel like they're too tall for my liking due to my kids. Ooh, this is so nice, but it's only one of them. I'm not even gonna try to tip it over to see the price, but look at these. Oh my god, those are pretty much too heavy to try to see the prices. Ooh, this little pajama set for Jada would be so cute. But I know I'm going to be on a very long line downstairs, so let me not even bother. Let me go check out. Okay, they have some more Christmas decors over here. I already bought a few. Well, I already have a few stuff from last year Christmas, so I don't need to really get anything. This is the kids section. I don't want to really be in the kids section. I'm really here for the Christmas aesthetics. Oh, that little Christmas tree looks nice. They got some really nice Christmas decor, guys. They look so beautiful. This would look so nice on the coffee table. Ooh, is the shelf shaking? Okay. This looks so nice. And this is going for $13. This is so beautiful. And they got some Christmas. Oh, I could come here to get some Christmas ornaments for the tree. because the ones I have the kids done broke all of them, y'all. These are so cute. For some reason, I think I'm liking pink for my Christmas decor this Christmas. I don't think I want to do red, the basic red. I think I might do pink. Oh my God, they are so beautiful. I'm liking the gold, but they're so huge. Okay, those are for $7. That's not bad. So I'm leaving Burlington now because they didn't. I told myself the line was long, so I didn't stop to buy anything. I just looked around and didn't buy anything because I told myself the line was long. But I'm gonna try to grab something to take home. I'm gonna see if I could go ahead and head to Teriyaki or Us and see if I could grab something to eat. I would stop at Panda Express, but it's super packed in there, so I'm not even gonna look at Panda Express. So I'm gonna go to Teriyaki RS to grab something. And not only that, it seems like they have a sale, not a sale, but like a discount type of thing over there. I think it says chicken teriyaki special, $10.99. I'm sorry, $9.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could grab one and hope the kids would like it. So let's see if it's something that the kids would like. I'm pretty sure the kids would like it too, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to order something for the kiddos. I don't know if my husband wants something, but I'm gonna see. I'm just patiently waiting until it's my turn to order. Then I order my food and leave. There's a Panda Express across the street and the Chipotle. Y'all, I will never eat Chipotle ever again. My first experience was a horrible experience. Never again. All right, guys, I'm back home, and this is the food that I stopped to get from Teriyaki or Us Japanese Grill. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands, get comfortable, and give you guys an honest review on how good it is or not, whatever the case may be. I'm gonna also pin their information in the comment section, or I'm gonna put it on the screen, somewhere on the screen. But I don't know. Let's see how good it is compared to PP Boys and Shakur Japan. Hope I said it right, Shakur Japan. So I'm gonna give this a review, guys, and let you guys know. Go. Stop the running. Wasn't y'all just... Go, Jada. Say trick or treat. She just want to eat, so she's not even opening the bag.
Come here, Miss Sassy. Come here, Miss
Say thank you.
Come here, Miss Sassy. How y'all doing?
Good, good.
Okay. Did you get something?
Open your bag, baby. So thank you. Come on. Go, baby. Go, go. Ready? Oh, want to catch a light? She changing her tooth? Come on, let's catch a light. Pay attention, Papa. Oh my God. How? Come on, little mama. Trick or treat. Go. Look, open the bag. Open your bag. Open your bag. Look, open bag. Open bag, mama. Open your bag, Jada. Thank you. Say thank you. Open bag, JC. Say thank you. Come on. Come on. See?
I love that.
Come on, Mom. No, you can't eat everything.
And then remember that she watching too much of her coffee.
Oh, yeah. Take a break. Take a break. Huh? Go. She just asking for my candy out of my mouth. JC, slow down for mommy. All right, nobody behind us. Come on, JC. Sorry, baby.
It's okay.
Go, JC. No, that's JC. I call him JC too. Okay, JC on. You went to the African one you talking about? The hair braiding store? Do they even have candy? Say thank you. Go on, Jada. Come, Jada. Come on. Jada, come now. Come.
Wait.
Sorry, thank you. Go, Jada. Go. You like it, Mama?
Look at the candy I got.
And the cabinet. Sorry. We not buying, Papa. Cheese. Come on, we're going to the next store. Come on. We're going in this store. Come on. Go. I got to go pick this one up. Because she be at the floor. Nobody see her. I don't know why you're looking at me like that. Jada, come. I got my tiny one on the floor. You probably can't see her.
She's the first one to get.
Oh, my little tiny one right here? All right, come on, let's go. Got Lana? Don't step in that water. No, walk around. Bless you. You're welcome. I don't think they're doing trick or treat in there. No, let's go in here. Let's go. Go ahead. Tristan, go take a seat. Go, baby. Go. Trick or treat. Go. Dad took a seat. Go, Jada. Trick or treat. Costumes for me.
No milk.
Get the carrots.
The carrot.
Show her the other one. Show her the other one. Me not sit in a bravo like that no more. Get the plantains. And me only do you though?
Here you go. This.
Put the green plant in them. I got the juice. Like it till I'm done. Put that in the fridge. The other side. What you say? So while at Home Goods the other day, I came across this beautiful casserole dish, guys. I couldn't leave it. I had to get it. Best believe I put everything in my cart back and purchased only this one single item. Y'all know Christmas is coming up and I needed some different dishes and all that stuff to put my food in to put on the table for Christmas. And guys, it also came, well, it didn't come with it because I had to pay separately for it. And I think it was $6, while the casserole dish was no, the spoon was for $4 or $5. I'm sorry, and the casserole dish was like $15 or $16. Guys, it's so strong, sturdy. Listen, it's good quality, and I know it's gonna last me for a very long time. So I'm gonna see if I could get me another one, maybe 2 or 3 more. Who knows? Because you're so cute. Just not the Christmas theme though. Something else. Even the plain ones are with a design if possible. But guys, I 100% recommend this. It's really good, and I know it's gonna look very, very beautiful on my table when I present my dinner for Christmas.
Cash hop hot, who I want tax? Me Rolex, pan a cheap price, pan tap. Who white like sand, crypto pan, millions, billions,
Pass for every boss, done for every done. Ever militant, so it and so it and. Humble like a lamb, tell them no confusion. Pass for every boss.
Darky, darky, no cause of darkness. Darky, darky, no. Darky, darky, no. Darkness forever, man. Darky, darky, no. Darky, darky, no.
Straight jeans and me be a ganja. We a real bad man, that's why she love quick. She no want the money, she just want quick. We no need reason for fucking girl. We no need people for fucking girl. Cause we a real.
Who can this my dog and survive? Make talk and few Glock no rise. Barrel no empty so we now make no nice. Go suck. Mother telling him we don't polite.
Dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings. No bangs a girl. No like how we a live. Fighting for it, fighting for it. Slime go for the list. My dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings.
Everybody up.
Yeah, give them a update.
Everybody up.
Love the look. Yeah, give them up.
Every time I rise, we do it for the love and I do it for the life. Do it for the love and I do it for the life. Do it for the love and I do it for the life. Do it for the love and I do it for the life.
Barrel like a spin and a spit out shot. It a race and a flick out bat. Girl skin out them hold me a dick out that. Girl you put like a train up flat. Hosanna.
She little and mad, kid and mad. She say she come from little London. She never belly give your mama grandson. She take your fuck me now like you can run. She
9 in I bed, the next friend make 10, 12 gal in I lab, we bring 3 left 12. I regular me tongue and 5 in I bends. And pause all the fuck if it dead. Papa, Isa, Tilia, Lika, chow.
Hey gal, pedal your wheel and rock out your boat. Give me a well, make me push in nose. Back shot, knock out the coal missionary that way and start out your
Rich badness, them know a gunman style. Big Ben spark up and last stick pan kyle. Bus head one go gunman file. Be a killer we park with from we are juvenile. How we are running?
Slew them up, bare feelings them a carry. Them done bow already and them can't say them sorry, yeah.
Enough for them want your dead and gone. But if where you go, you hold your head and gone. You know me happy see me one band. So when them see me pan it up, you know me one gone. Goodbye to me.
Man a straight and clean, boss a blanc. You not turn like a meal, boss a blanc. You not living at the stream, boss a blanc. Push from a gal, turn up the scheme, boss a blanc. You know make poor things, boss a
Bounce a gal hot like a yo gal. Bounce a gal can't talk to yo gal. Bounce a gal cause everything brand new gal. Bounce a gal cause you know we people show gal. Bounce a gal hot like.
Me never feel like cheap, but she start convince me. She say come here, make you just fly like Gingy. She say she know we ain't nowhere.
Let me go in a delight, happy nice like the door. Set you for your need, not this score. Set the ball a door when you wine, watch it goal.
Me see the trouble you want, give me off me up in your heart. Now let me up.
Thank you. But what this?
Shrimp.
Noodles.
Noodles.
Noodles.